Welcome to Kyocera's Accessory Corner. In this instructional video, we will be showing how to properly insert and remove the spare battery into the GPSLockbox desktop phone and spare battery charging unit. This product does not include a USB-C power adapter. You can use the cable that was included with your device, or any other USB-C cable that is available. The charger has two compartments, one for the device and the second for a spare battery. The device charging cavity is a simple drop in and go. However, the spare battery compartment has a specific process to insert and remove the battery from the charger. Failure to follow these instructions may damage the battery charger contacts. The desktop charger may be oriented differently on your desk. Familiarize yourself with the charger features and note the arrow direction in the battery compartment. This is very important to ensure your battery is inserted properly. Let's begin with the spare battery instructions. With the adapter plugged in, connect the USB-C cable to the side of the unit. If connected properly, the red LED will illuminate. Next, orient the battery so the contacts are aligned with the charger contacts. Place the battery against the bottom of the cavity using the chamfered beveled edge as a guide. Slide the battery in the direction the arrow is pointing, and then lightly press the battery into place. When connected properly, the green LED lights will illuminate. If the lights are not on, check the USB cable and remove the battery and reinsert. To remove the battery, reverse the order and pull the battery out and away from the contacts. This is very important. Never insert the battery straight down into the charger. It will damage the charger contacts. Let's look at how to charge the device now. While the spare battery is charging, the device can be charged simultaneously. With the device in the closed position, place it into the device compartment to charge. When it is seated properly, there will be an audible notification, and the charging lightning bolt icon will be visible on the device's status bar. Be aware that there will not be indication that the device is charging on the desktop charger itself. We hope that this video helped answer your questions. Detailed step-by-step instructions are included next for your reference.